unrivaled durable precision, unparalleled smoothness, unquestionable breakthrough. Introducing the 12-inch dual bevel axial glide miter saw from Bosch. Another game-changing innovation from the leader in professional tools. The new axial glide miter saw is more than a new way to crosscut, bevel, and miter. It's an engineering breakthrough that delivers significant advantages over traditional miter saws. The innovation begins with our patented axial glide system, which incorporates a robust cast aluminum arm and sealed ball bearings, working in tandem with the saw fence, base, and controls to achieve unprecedented durability and precision. By eliminating the rails, the axial glide system does away with rail deterioration from repeat use and abuse. So time-consuming recalibration is a thing of the past, and accuracy is never in doubt. The glide saw's innovative railless design also dramatically reduces the tool's depth to achieve an amazingly compact footprint, up to 12 inches smaller than competitive saws, so it works easily in tight spaces or even right against a workspace wall. Best of all, no other miter saw feels like the axial glide, delivering the ultimate in smooth glide action and control at all angles, especially on compound cuts. And its distinctive design assures that same smooth precision, cut after cut, year after year, for the life of the tool. The new glide saw also delivers a major advantage in cutting capacity, up to 14 inches for crosscuts and 6.5 inches for molding. So whether cutting base or crown molding, dimensional lumber or 4x4s, its expanded capacity means more work in less time with single cut precision. Another award-winning innovation, upfront bevel controls located on the front of the saw, eliminates the awkward reach to the rear of the saw and makes bevel adjustments quick and easy. Just lift the bevel lock lever and tilt the head. Adjust for right bevel. It's that simple. The glide saw's square lock quick release sliding fences also allow one-touch adjustment for extra support on bevel cuts, while its cast-in scales provide at-a-glance reference for repeat cuts, and removal is just as easy. The Axial Glide is also the only saw on the market with integrated expanding base extensions that provide up to 40 inches of added support for long pieces, 60% more than competitive saws. A large, easy-to-read bevel scale provides quick reference indicators for all common, crown, and roof angles, while the stainless steel miter scales and 10 positive miter detents allow speedy adjustment for the most common miter cuts. And a push-button miter.
Makita miter saws have engineering superiority over other miter saws. And here's the latest addition to the Makita lineup, the 8.5-inch slide compound miter saw. This miter saw is more compact. It weighs only 31 pounds, so it's ideal for easy transport from job site to job site. But you also get dead-on accuracy, cut after cut. The linear ball bearing system is engineered to deliver smooth, dead-on, accurate cuts. It has 12-inch cross-cutting capacity with 8.5-inch capacity and a 45-degree miter. The saw miters from 0 to 50 degrees to the left and 0 to 60 to the right. The ergonomic rubberized handle design with large trigger has better fit for added comfort. For improved visibility, the LED light illuminates the line of cut. The LS0815F is ideal for wood floor installation, case and base, crown molding, finish carpentry, cabinet and furniture making, general construction, and more.
Keep your cuts precise with the Craftsman V20 20V Max 7¼ sliding miter saw kit. This saw's sliding rails allow for 8-inch max cross cuts, as well as nested crown molding cuts and vertical baseboard cuts. The miter allows for single bevel cuts and an LED cut line for added precision. The powerful V20 20V Max lithium-ion battery with an LED state of charge indicator allows for over 500 cuts on one charge, and the side handles make the lightweight saw easy to carry. Get the job done right with the V20 20V Max 7¼ sliding miter saw kit, part of the Craftsman V20 system. Craftsman, we build pride.